Hi Grandma, it's me and it's on January 1st, 2016. I was at your house last night and so I wanted to show, and we're going to be at your house again tonight. And I wanted to show you some of the massive waves here. Looking at the sunset out on the beach. So, maybe if I can get some, sorry. Again, I am not a great filmer. I showed you two others, probably, from inside the car. We are out on the beach, carving stuff. I've made this long trail of, here's some sand, but here are some of the massive waves. Let me get us a little closer. My dad got a blanket. We're gonna be sitting out on the beach watching the amazing sunset. Look at that. Okay, so, oh, here comes a massive one. It's going up. You can barely see it. Let me see. Oh. There's no big ones right now. Like, they look like major tsunamis here. I'm serious. There's a mountain over there. There's the cafeteria. My pants are falling down because these are too big for me. It's on camera.
Not on video.
It's taking a video right now.
It's